Okay, for the fun of it, I'm going to show you how I do the gluing. I use tight bond wood glue.
Please charge it in time.
It sets up fast. You get it at the hardware store. So we have basically these lines on here. I'm not really sure what this line was. I think that was where the engine ring should go. But again, you can see we measured this out so that this retainer goes just beyond that line. And it looks like that line
Please
that they
charge
give you,
it in
7/8
time.
is actually in between the two. So it looks like that's really what it's trying to tell us. That the line that they give you is in between the two. And that's where actually where everything really fit really nicely. So this is what I'm going to glue together. And type on glue is what I use. This is very easy to do, so I'll just do this really quick on camera.
Please charge it in time. Please charge it in time.
Okay, so that's there. I'm going to do the same thing and put a very small bead of glue in the engine mount area.
Please charge it in time.
I'm going to put this on. Okay. So now I'm going to stop here. We have all this together. And I'm going to put some rubber bands on this and let this dry for about a half hour.
Please charge it in time. 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 Start recording.
Okay, this is a very simple one. And you can see I have the clip retainer here. I got the slotted ring, and I'm just putting a rubber band on this.
Please charge it in
There's some
time.
glue on this, but at this point we can again check our tail cone alignment. Let's go ahead and slide that on, and we should get to be right about here, and you can feel it going through the center of the nozzle, and it does. It fits on there perfectly. So again, it's very, very important to make sure all of these things are properly aligned. You can see that the engine tube sticks through the nozzle.
Please charge it in
just
time.
a little bit. Again, that's maybe 1 millimeter, maybe 2. And at this point, you can put these two together and let them dry. So I'm going to let this dry. I actually have a special way of drying these things. It's not special, but it is really nice. I have an old style incandescent light bulb in a lamp. I put a wire across it, and I'm just going to slide this
Please
onto
charge
the wire
it in
and just let
time.
it hang there for about 15 minutes. It's going to get nice and dry. After this, I'm going to put a fillet around the front of this. I'm going to put it back and let it dry. So I'm going to do all this off camera. But you can see this ring is pretty straightforward. It's standard stuff if you've been building up the engine mounts for some time. So let me go ahead and go do that, and I'll be back.
Please charge it in time.
What the hell happened here?
Start recording.
Okay, for some reason the recording keeps
Please
turning
charge
off.
it in
What's
time.
going on? Battery looks good. I'm just going to show again that we got the retainer and we've got the centering ring with the slot. I put the rubber band on it to hold it nice and tight so that it doesn't come loose. I'm going to now put a fillet around this and go set this on a drying rack.
Please charge it in time.
It's just an old lamp that's got an incandescent light bulb, which is nice and warm. I just have a wire hanging across the lamp shade on the top. Just going to slide this onto the wire. I'll let it sit there. So go ahead and glue this together, and then put a fillet on there and glue that, and then let that dry. And actually using the lamp and everything dries in about 15 minutes. Pretty nice.
Please charge it in time. Please charge it in time. Please charge it in time. Start recording.
Again, another very short one. You can see we have the fillet on there, and it stays in place. It's fairly small. I like using wood glue for this simply because it doesn't run very much, and I can just go ahead and put that on, and it stays in place. So now you can see we have all of these two pieces in place, and I'm going to just let this dry.
Please charge it in time.
Okay, so basically you are having those problems. See, EPP is not. Okay, we'll have
Please charge it in time.
what you're describing has not happened in any of our systems. There's never been a situation where people were confused what the data meant, and that led to some kind of a problem. That has never happened.
Please charge it in time. Please charge it in time. Please charge it in time.